Where is your
Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, and for today's video we have another unboxing. My B Essential Edition arrived 2 days ago, so it arrived on the 19th and it's already the 21st and I'm finally opening it. So here it is. I ordered them from Universal Music Store and I got 2 copies. I don't know why, but yeah. Or maybe I ordered it because it has the random photo card and I wanted to get the group PC, RM's PC or JK, any of the 3, but yeah, so let's see what's inside. So here it is. I got 2 copies, and when you buy from Universal Music Store, you get this mask case. Yes. And yeah, let me show you how to use this. So it looks like this inside, and there's the flap here, and you will put, let me get one clean mask here. Perfect. It fits perfectly there. So there's the mask if you want to carry around an extra mask when you go out and keep them clean in your bag. So yeah, this is very useful, especially now. So that's the POB, and here is the actual album. I like the seal here, like featuring Billboard Hot 100, top #1 single Dynamite and Life Goes On, and 63rd Grammy Awards nominee. So yeah, congratulations BTS. So here it is, and I'm going to show you the difference from this one essential version, and this is the, what do you call this? Oh my god. This is the deluxe edition. So as you can see, same height, but it's half the thickness of the deluxe version. So yeah. And I am filming using this angle of the camera to show you my raw reaction, but I will use a different angle when I show you what's inside, so you can further see what's the inclusion in this album. So let's open it very carefully. We don't want to damage the album. So I don't want to completely destroy the plastic cover because the seal is there, so I want to keep the plastic. Yeah, you see the seal there? Yeah, I don't want to throw that away. So compared to the deluxe edition, it has this magnet here and it opens like that. For the essential edition, you have to just slide the things inside. So here's the photo book, and then the poster and the CD. And for the CD, The one from the deluxe version has their photo here, and unlike here, but unfortunately I can't show you how the CD looks like because it's in my car. Yes, I play that every day, and I can't show you from this album because it's still sealed and I don't want to open it, so yeah. And then, oh my god, look at that. This is so sad. It's damaged. Oh my god. And even the photo cards. Oh my god. Can you see that? So yeah, I'm going to show you how it looks like. Oh my god. Oh my god. Wait. Oh my god. Oh my god. Wait lang. So oh my god, I am lost for words. The deluxe edition also has this photo cards. Let me check. They also have that. Is it the same? Oh, so this is from the deluxe edition and this is from the essential edition. So it's zoom in and the back is also different. It looks like that, and yeah. So we have 8 photo cards from the deluxe edition, and we also have 8 from the essential edition, and I can't find the random photo card. So, oh my god, what's happening? Let me check the inclusions because the group PC from this essential edition might be my random PC, and I'm going to freak out if... Okay, let me check. Oh my god. Oh my god. I was right. They only have from the essential edition, you only have 7 photo cards from each member right here, and then photo card number 2, which is the random one, and my god, I got the group PC. Oh my god, thank you so much. Oh my god. Okay, I'm so happy. Okay. Calm down. Okay, so that's my first copy, and then let's open the other one. Honestly, since I already got the OT7, I don't want to open this anymore, but since we are still looking for RM and JKs, so yeah, let's open this, and then let's see how lucky I am. From the deluxe edition, I think I got Jin, and yeah, I traded it for Namjoon as expected. So here's my second copy, and I am looking for Namjoon or JK. Okay. Oh my god. Oh my god, I got J-Hope! Oh my god, so here's the random, no, these are the 7-piece set photo card, and I got J-Hope. Not bad. I love J-Hope. But yeah, I wanted RM, but it's okay. Thank you for coming home, J-Hope. So yeah, now I'm going to change the angle of the camera so I can show you everything inside the album. So yeah, I'll be back. So, here's the album, and it looks like this. You slide sideways like that, and this will be the case, and this is, oh my god, the CD right here, and then this is the photo book, and this is the poster, and we have the complete set. We have the complete set of the members, yeah, one each. So these are 7, and apart from this photo card set, unlike the deluxe edition, they don't have the random photo card. The essential edition has one random photo card in the album, and yes, I have, as I have shown earlier, I got 2 copies, and I was able to get J-Hope and the group PC, and I am extremely happy. I know I wasn't able to get my bias RM and my baby JK, but it's okay. I was able to get J-Hope, so cute. And yeah, anyway, we celebrated his birthday yesterday. We went to a snow park again with my friends, and then after that we went to a cup sleeve event for J-Hope. And yeah, I'm going to insert some of the pictures we have there, and I'm so happy. It's J-Hope's birthday and he came home to me, and yes, it's been a while since I got a J-Hope photo card, and I'm happy. Thank you. And then the group PC, this is so priceless. So yeah, those are for the photo cards. And for the photo book, I have my QR code here. So the photo book looks like this. I'm not sure if it's the same with the deluxe edition, so I'm going to see for myself if it's the same. From the deluxe edition, so this is the deluxe edition, and here's the photo book. So photo book wise, oh, the essential edition is bigger, probably an inch bigger, half an inch bigger than the, and yeah, a little bit taller and wider, and yeah. So this is from the deluxe edition, and oh, the photos are different. So here's the deluxe edition, and for the essential edition, it looks like this. Oh my god! Oh, so you can see the monochrome photos here compared to this one. It's like, I don't know the correct term for the color, but they are both black and white but different. Oh my god, I can't explain. So anyway, they have different photos inside. So yeah, and that's it. And yeah, after this, I'm going to upload another video, which is our Valentine Day celebration Army edition. So yeah, please do watch out for that too. And yeah, that's pretty much it. Thank you guys for watching. Stay safe. I love you as always, and I'll see you on my next one.